जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ मॉडल स्कूल एंड एक्सीलेंस स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम सॉल्व पेपर ऑफ 2006। सो गाइस, मैं इससे पहले भी आपके सॉल्व पेपर बता चुका हूँ जो 2021 से 2007 तक हो रखे हैं। आज बताने वाला हूँ 2006 का सॉल्व पेपर। आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस को। फर्स्ट, वेयर इज द सिक्योरिटीज पेपर मिल्स लोकेटेड इन इंडिया? D option Hoshangabad is the right answer. And important questions right now. Second, what is the shares of industries in the national economy? B option 23% is the right answer. Third, in which of the following industries air pollution is maximum? C option is the right answer, chemical industry. 4. Industries where capital investment is nominals and which are runs with the help of the families members are called. D options cottage industry is the right answer. Next, 5. In which states Indian iron or steel co-located? C option is the right answer. West Bengal is the right answer. सो गाइस, अभी तक आपने यदि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और दोस्तों के साथ ज़्यादा शेयर करें। और अपने डाउट है ना कमेंट सेक्शन में आप पूछ सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट, 6. इन विच वेस्ट कैन बी यूज फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग कंपोस्ट मैन्योर? बी ऑप्शंस बायो डिग्रेडेबल्स इज द राइट आंसर एंड इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ. 7. On the basis of the utilities industries are of types. C options is the right answer, 2 type. 8. Which is called food for those industries? A options raw material is the right answer and important questions right now. Next, 9. Newsprint papers industry is situated in? C options Nepanagar is the right answer, and this question is many times repeat, so important questions right now. 10. Hindustan Steels Limited is situated in which states? A option Odisha is the right answer, and important questions right now. 11. In which years was National Technical Institute Indore was established? B option 2009, and important questions right now. Next, Usha Raja's Stadium is situated at? The options Indore is the right answer and important questions right now. 13. When was Madhya Pradesh comes into accidents? B options 1 November 9 established. 1 November 1956 is the right answer. 14. The tourism place of MPs which is now 4 of its temples? C options Khajuraho is the right answer and most important questions right now. 15. On which rivers Bansagar's dams is built? C option Son Nadi is the right answer. So this question is very important, so right now. Next, 16. किस शब्द की वर्तनी अशुद्ध है? ए ऑप्शंस दुर्निवार इज द राइट आंसर. 17. कौन सी वर्तनी शुद्ध है? बी ऑप्शन अछोड़नीय इज द राइट आंसर. 18. कौन सी वर्तनी शुद्ध है? डी ऑप्शन कुटु शक्ति इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, 19. हवन में जलाने वाली लकड़ी के लिए शब्द है? डी ऑप्शंस समद्धा is the right answer and important questions right now. 20. दिशाएं ही जिनका वस्त्र है उन्हें कहा जाता है? सी ऑप्शन दिगंबर is the right answer. 21. जिसे बुलाया ना गया हो उसके लिए शब्द होता है? बी ऑप्शंस अनहूत is the right answer. 22 आकाश से बातें करना मुहावरे का अर्थ होता है बी ऑप्शन सबसे ऊंचा होना इज द राइट आंसर। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ। 23 सीधे मुंह बात ना करना मुहावरे का अर्थ होता है घमंड करना इज द राइट आंसर ए ऑप्शंस एंड इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ। 24 काला अक्षर भैंस बराबर का अर्थ होता है सी ऑप्शन अनपढ़ होना इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट 25 हंसुए के ब्याह में खुरपी का गीत लोकोक्ति का अर्थ है ए ऑप्शंस असंगत बातें करना इज द राइट आंसर ए ऑप्शन। 25 हंसुए के ब्याह में खुरपी का गीत लोकोक्ति का अर्थ होता है ए ऑप्शन असंगत बातें करना। 26 मक्खन का तत्सम शब्द होता है ए ऑप्शन माखन इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट 27 कौन सा शब्द तत्सम शब्द है सी ऑप्शन दिन जो है ना तत्सम शब्द का सही आंसर है। 28 देवर का तत्सम शब्द है ए ऑप्शन द्विवर इज द राइट आंसर। 29 कौन सा शब्द तत्सम है डी ऑप्शन सूरज इज द राइट आंसर। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ। नेक्स्ट 30 complete the following sentences he would come if you ... B options wished is the right answer. 31 what is the indirect narrations of the following he said I have seen this man. D option is the right answer he said that he had seen that man is the right answer. Next 32 identify the part of speech thus underlined bird. I heard of this only yesterday. A options adverb is the right answer and right now. 33 what is the passive voice of one followings? She teaches us English. C options we are taught English by her is the right answer and important questions. 34 what is the indirect narrations of the following? He said to me why did you strike me? B options he asked me why I had strikes him is the right answer. 35 I identifies the part of speech of the underlines words. I ate some rice. A options adjective is the right answer and important questions right now. Next 36 we hurt ourselves. B options pronoun is the right answer and most important questions right now. 37 I have heard this before. D options adverb is the right answer and important questions right now. 38 wisdom is better than strength. C options noun is the right answer and important questions right now. 39 fill in the blanks. Correct options what ... numbers of books you have. B options a large is the right answer. Important questions right now. 40 fill in the blanks with the correct options ... of them is bad. A option neither is the right answer and important questions right now. Next 41 fill in the correct form of verb. The first world war ... in 1914 is B options is the right answer. Began is the right answer. 42 the word similar is meaning choose unequipped is D options vacant is the right answer. Similar meaning. Okay. 43 the antonyms of agree is B options differ is the right answer and important questions right now. 44 which of the following groups of plant can be used as indicators of so pollutions of airs? A options epiphytic lichens is the right answers. So important questions right now. 45 which of the following on inhalations dissolved in the Bloods hemoglobins more rapidly than oxygens. B options carbon monoxide is the right answer, and this question is many times repeated, so important questions right now. Next 46. Smoke is B options. A combinations of smoke and fog, and this question is the most important, so right now. Next 57. The major photochemicals oxidant is C options. Nitrogen oxide is the right answer, and most important questions right now. 48. Which of the following are likely to be present in photochemicals smoke? C options. Chlorofluorocarbon is the right answer, and most important questions right now. 49. The planet closest to suns is D options. Mercury is the right answer, and most important questions right now. Next 50. The orbits of these planets in intersects each other's. B options. Neptune and Pluto is the right answer, and most important questions right now. 51. Jovian planets are A options. Gaseous bodies is the right answer, and important questions right now. 52. Satellites developed for separating educations. D options. EduSat is the right answer, and important questions right now. 53. PSLV were developed for launching remote sensing satellites having weights of A options 1000 to 2000 kg is the right answer, and important questions right now. 54. The required minimum speed of launching a satellite in this desired orbits of Earth is B options 800 km per second is the right answer. 55. Focal length is infinite 4. C options. Plane mirror is the right answer, and important questions right now. Next 56. Can be beacons identifies the mirrors by B options. Natures of image formats by the mirrors is the right answer, and important questions right now. 57. If the positions of an object placed in front of a mirror change D options, then the size of the image change is the right answer, and important questions right now. 58. Meaning of objective lens. A options. Convex lens placed near the object in compound microscope is the right answer. Next 59. The final image of an object seen through on astronomical telescopes is D options. Visuals, magnifieds, and inverteds is the right answer, and important questions right now. 60. The sequence of colors obtained through this prism is Vibgyor is the right answer. C options, and most important questions right now. 61. A reaction is said to be in equilibrium when A options is the right answer. Rate of forwards and backwards reactions is the same, and most important questions right now. 62. A dynamics equilibrium is that states in which two opposite reactions take place. A options continuously is the right answer, and most important questions right now. Next 63. The process of breaking upon as electrodes into the corresponding signs is A options. Ionization is the right answer, and most important questions right now. 64. Which compound is used for making blues colored glass? C options. Cobalt oxide is the right answer, and most important questions right now. Hard steels is used in D options. Making nips is the right answer, and most important questions right now. 66. Techniques used for making sodium carbonate. D options. All of the above is the right answer and most important questions right now. 67. In the thermal effect of electric currents, electrical energy gets converted into B options. Heat energy is the right answer and most important questions right now. 68. The thermal effect of electric current is used in D options. All of the above. Electric press, electric heater, electric kettles is the right answer and most important questions right now. 69. 1 megawatt is B options. 10 the power 6 watt is the right answer and most important questions right now. 70. N is a solenoid. Thus tunes of copper wires are placed. A options is the right answer. Very close each others is the right answer. 71. The end of the solenoid bursts the directions of flow of current is anti-clockwise, behaves like A options. North pole is the right answer and most important questions right now. Next. 72. A current carrying conductors and magnet fields is used as D options. All of the above. Electric generator, electric motors, electric measuring device is the right answer and most important questions right now. 73. The conventional sources of energy is D options. Board is the right answer and most important questions right now. 74. The non-conventional source of energy is D option. Solar cell is the right answer and most important questions right now. 75. The chemical formulas of hematite is B options. Fe2O3 is the right answer and most important questions because these questions is many time repeats. So right now. 76. Which elements is found in maximum amount in the earth crust? C options. Aluminium is the right answer and most important questions right now. 77. Which statement is true? D options. All ores are minerals. So D options is the right and most important questions right now. 78. The I.P.S name of formaldehyde is C options. Methanol is the right answer and most important questions right now. Next. 79. Sodium silicates is now as A options. Water glasses is the right answer and important questions right now. Chemicals name of plaster of Paris. B options. Calcium sulfates, hematite, hemihydrates is the right answer and most important questions right now. Next. 81. If in a hostel's 30 days foods is available for 40 students, then for how many days this foods is sufficient for 60 students? A options is the right answer. 20 days is the right answer. So important questions right now. Next. 82. In what times is sum of rupees 2700 amount of rupees 3240 at the 6 2 by 3% annual rates of interest? B options. 2 years is the right answers. Next. 83. Sunil sends out rupees 7,953 for 2 years and rupees 1,800 for 3 years at the same annual rates of simple interest. If he got rupees 2,343.66 as a total interest, then the present rate of interest is B options. 11 is the right answer. Next. 84. If the sum of three consecutive even numbers is 108, then the smallest numbers in these numbers is D options. 34 is the right answers. Next. 85. Present age of the fathers is 7 times the age of his sons. 2 years back, the father's age was 13 times that of his sons. The present age of the father's is A options 28 is the right answer. Next, 86. If the average of the eight consecutive odd numbers is 16, then the highest numbers is the series is C options 23 is the right answer. Next, 87. If the difference of two numbers is 4 and difference of their squares is 104, then sum of these numbers is B option 26 is the right answer. Next, 87. The value of 674 into 674 q's plus 352 q's upon 674 into 674 minus का 674 into 352 plus 352 into 352 is the options 1023 26 is the right answer. Next, 89. The unit digit of the product 784 into 917 into 463 into 618 is the options 2 is the right answer. 90. The difference between the largest and smallest fractions amongst 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and 5 by 6 is B options 1 by 6 is the right answer. 91. 3 years back, the populations of a town was 25,000. If the population is these 3 years has increased at the rate of 10%, 15% and 8% respectively, the present populations of the towns is C options 34,155 is the right answer. 92. If a certain sum of the amount of rupees 676 in 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly, then the sum is the option 625 is the right answer. Next, 93. In three numbers, seconds is twice the first and is also thrice the third. If the average of the three numbers is 44, then the largest number is C option 72 is the right answer. Next, 94. If 7.28 divide x upon 3.6 into 0.2 is equal 400, then the value of x is B option 0.0024 is the right answer. 95. If 8 the power 5 divide 16 the power 1.1 into 2 the power 5.4 is equal to the power x, then the values of x is D options is the right answer. Next, 96. On dividing the numbers by 6 reminders is 3. What will be the reminders on dividing the squares of this numbers by 6? A options 3 is the right answer. Next, 97. 273 is what percent of 364. C options 75% is the right answer. Next, 98. On increase in the price of rice by 20% by what percentage? Thus, consumptions of rice which discouraged by the consumers if thus expenditures on rice remains uncharged. So B answer is the right answer. 16 2 by 3% is the right answer. Next, 99. If a declares displays the marked price which is 20% higher than the cost price on the product and allows 5% commissions on the mark price, then his profits is percentage. B option is the right answer, 14%. Next, 100. A shopkeeper sells two tablets at rupees 1,200 each. He earns 15 percentage profits on the tables and suffers is loss of 15% on another tables. Thus, net profit or loss percent in this deals is the options 2.25% loss. So अब आपका जो 2006 का पेपर यहीं पर एंड होता है और 2006 पेपर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस एंड मॉडल स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स एंड नाउ. So I meet you next videos. So friends, subscribe my channels and like, shares and shares with our friends. यदि आपकी इससे संबंधित कोई क्वेरी है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. यदि आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक और दोस्तों के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.